to Behind the Yellow Door at Two Friends. Boy, did we have some fun stuff for you this week. So come on in.
It's another day in the back room with James and Michelle and y'all. James says he has nothing to do with my foolery back here. James, what foolery are you talking about? Do tell us. What kind of foolery?
The wine stoppers. The
Y'all-
happiness wine stoppers.
Do y'all see how many of these darn wine stoppers that I buy? Do you see what all is here? I mean, good gracious alive. Everybody loves it.
Everybody.
You get so tickled. And then we got the little pee-pee dogs, and then we got the little pee-pee boys that help keep your plants watered. You know, we have to have a sense of humor around here. And James says it's our shenanigans. What else do you say, sir?
I can't do it. It's behind the yellow door, I won't say.
It's behind the yellow door, and he will not say.
I will not say, no.
He will not say.
It's
He
not
is
on
the
brand.
only gentleman around here that has to deal with this bunch of crazy women. So, y'all stay tuned, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer some of the stuff that has arrived. All right, so I left James and Michelle and all the others over in that back room over there and thought that you might want to see what we got in over here, kind of on the bubble bar side. So first I'm going to start with these coolers by Field Bar. And y'all, these are the best looking things. So it'll hold 3 bottles of wine or 2 bottles of champagne, or I forget how many beer they said. But it is such a good looking piece. Has this fabulous leather handle on it. It's made in South Africa. This is our second delivery of these. Our first one flew out within a week after receiving them. And so we were able to get a reorder in, got it pretty quick. And this might be something you want to keep in mind as Christmas gifts for someone on your list. And then we'll move to here. This is a brand new line for us called Kingfisher Leatherworks. And the sales guy for this line, I have known his mom and daddy and grandmother for years. He's from Middle Georgia. He's the sweetest thing. And when we saw him again at market, I was like, okay, I have to have some of this beautiful stuff. Not only is it beautiful, but the leather smells so good. So this is perfect for a bottle of wine or a bottle of your favorite spirits. This one has the decal of a flying duck. We have it with the bulldog decal and then a pointer decal. But what's really cool about it, whoa, don't let me break these. What's really cool is you can come back if you're a spirits person, a spirits guy or gal. You can come back with this little leather piece that holds 2 sippers for your spirits. How fabulous is this? And it just snaps together. So if your guy is a hunter, maybe he's a duck hunter and he's going to be out in the field, this would be something great for him to take and sip on the tailgate. And then y'all, while we're here in the bubble bar, I have to show you the Vouv box cooler that just came in. I mean, how fabulous is this? It's great for a girl gift, a brand new baby girl taking something to a new mama, or for a lady's fun birthday. Y'all, it comes with a bottle of the Vouv Rosé Champagne. Fabulous. And then you have this great little cooler left over. How fun is that? Y'all, and while I was at market, I found this fabulous gift. This is by Fig and Dove, and it is an acrylic dove that you can hang on your Christmas tree or hang in a window. But it has the Lord's Prayer on the back. I think it is such a sweet little gift. If you've got somebody on your list who would love this, act quick because these will sell out really fast. I'm popping up again in the back room, and this time I'm popping up with some caramel sea salt popcorn. Y'all, if you have never had this stuff, you are missing out. It is so good. I think I got 3 different flavors. All of these boxes are full of yummy food items. And then I told y'all I'd be back and I would tell you what's happening back here. So y'all, we just got in this beautiful shipment of oyster shell crosses. Every time we get these sell out. I think these are so pretty, placed inside a Christmas wreath and tied with a big bow on top. So sweet. It also makes a really special gift. And then of course, you know, we live at the beach and I just absolutely love, let me take this off. I don't know what, that's the item number for James. He'll kill me if he knows I took that off. He's already gone home today, so I'm back here in his space. But y'all, look how pretty this is. I was over at a lady's house in Atlanta, gosh, probably 6 months ago, and she collected shell boxes. All different shapes, all different sizes on a square coffee table. I'm telling you, it was one of the prettiest things I'd ever seen. So now I'm just loving these as much as anything in the world, because I just think when they're presented in the right way, they're stunning. And she lived in Atlanta. She did not live on the coast, but she still made that work in her home. And then I love the little oyster shell votives. We sell these out every year. We get them in and sell them out. These are so pretty on a dining room table, or if you're having an oyster roast, line the oyster roast table with them with little candles. And then next over here, we got in brand new bags, y'all. These are a faux suede. They're good looking. I love the little brass rivets on it. Love this bag. It has, it looks kind of funny because it doesn't have its strap on, but there's a strap in there and you can wear it as a little side body bag. So cute. That comes in the cream, the olive. Olive is going to make a huge statement this fall. And chocolate brown. Chocolate brown is probably the biggest color for this fall. We have lots of that color coming in. So I have the little rivet bag in chocolate brown as well. I have this little leather, again, the faux suede with the leather tassel here. We don't have it all the plastic off for y'all yet, but you can carry it as a little tote or as a crossbody there. It also comes in a maroon color. This is going to be a big color for fall as well. So there you go. So that also comes in olive and cream and mercy me. Y'all have to know about my dress. I absolutely love this. This came in today as well. Kate, can you see me? Kind of. Shall I move over here? Okay. So y'all, this is one of those fabulous little dresses that is a perfect transition dress. I love the length. I love the detail of the little buttons here at the top. It actually ties at the waist and it has these beautiful tortoiseshell buttons here on the sleeve. Y'all, I will tell you, all of this stuff sells really quick. So if you see something that you absolutely love, do not hesitate to put it in your cart and check out, because all of this, oh, and this is another one of those dresses that just came in by the same company as the one that I have on. Has some pretty little pleating details there. I think we sold 1 or 2 of these already, just coming straight out of the box. So if you see something that catches your eye, do not hesitate. I hope y'all have a great week ahead, and we'll see you next week.